good afternoon from Bottons Pleasure Beach here at Skegness, where we've come to check out the rides here, where it's cost us £30 for 40 tokens. What that gets us, we're not quite sure. There is a wristband that you can buy, which works out quite expensive.
It'd be like nearly £100.
Yeah, it'd be nearly £100. There's not the greatest amount of rides, but join us and go and check out what they do have here. So we spent £30 and we'll see how far that gets us.
Rock and roller after all. Woo! This is quite fun. This is Bottons Fun Fair. Here's the first little drop. We're gonna get some spin. Oh, we have. Loaded ourselves. Oh! We've loaded ourselves on one side. Maximum spin. Woo! Oh god! Oh no! Oh! Got a bit of tilting as well. Woo! Oh! No idea where we're going. We've got a proper spin going on. Oh my lord! Oh, I'm dizzy. Oh, I'm bilious. Oh no! I got a drop coming up as well. Here we go. We're going to be going sideways, no backwards. Woo! That is rock and roller. I don't even know.
So me and Casper did rock and rolling, and I have to say, the spin on that was absolutely. Look at Casper, tell everybody.
It was absolutely very fast and very spinning. I just can't believe how fast it was spinning.
I know, I thought it wasn't going to stop. If Robin had gone down that, you'd have, Robin just stood there. It was a no from Robin, and if she went on it, there wouldn't be any more rides. So, and we're following now, it's gone on to Wacky Worm, it's opened up as we was coming past. So Eden, what do you think about the Wacky Worm?
Good.
3-lap special, can't go wrong with Wacky Worm, we love them. So let's go find some more rides, shall we? Yeah.
Hold on, this one, we're going up.
There we go.
You can sit next to me, yes.
Oh, there she is. She's got hands up. There we go. Hands up.
This is like one of the slowest caterpillar. When it went round there, yeah? When it went round there.
Here at Thrills of Food, we love a Wacky Worm. We've come for the Wacky Worm. This is what we're about. Slow little ride round. And there is rock and roller, that crazy ass coaster we went on just before. There's plenty of flat rides rocking around. There's a flume that's over there as well. These kids got their hands up, ready to go. Let's get wild on the Wacky Worm.
The yellow one. Yeah, the yellow one as well.
That's your lot.
I quite like the vibe coming around from here. Kind of reminds me a little bit of Coney Island.
It's what Coney Island should be.
Yeah. It's less emphasis on Zamperla, I have to say. But yeah, it's quite nice, really. It is what it is. It's a seaside amusement park, isn't it? Yeah. And that rock and roller was quite cool. So yeah, it's got a nice vibe. So we've got to work our way around here, see what it comes to next. There's a freak out there. I don't think Casper fancies that one. It's worth pointing out that those rides, the rock and roller cost us 3 tokens each. So that was 6 tokens, and it cost us another 6 tokens in total to go on the Wacky Worm as well for the 3 of us. So yeah, let's go work our way around and see what it comes to next. So, speaking of which, you might recognise that one from the days of Alton Towers, the old Funk and Fly. Nice collection here. It's a good old-fashioned twister there. That's 3 tokens per ride, and I imagine that's a bit more intense than what you have at Alton Towers with the Flavio's Fandango. But here is Queen Bee's with some form of family invert. So we're going to go and check that out. There we go. Queen Bee. Very unusual invert.
Robin and Eden just behind there. inverted version of Wacky Worm. Kind of crazy. That's very close to the cars in front there. Nice view of it though. Pleasure Beach. Again, we're going to get a 2-lap special, or is that going to be the end of the ride?
Oh yeah.
We're going again. We've got a 2-lap special on Queen Bee. Let's go straight there as well. I'm not sure how many things we're going to get on now. We've got this was 12 tokens in total to get on the top for us at the one. Queen Bee. So we just come off Queen Bee there. The really unusual take on a Wacky Worm, really, wasn't it? It's like an inverted Wacky Worm. It's really cool. I liked it. It's a lot of fun. Did you like that, Eden? Yeah. And it's 3-lap special as well, which is nice. And that costs a total of 12 tokens to go on that. So we are getting through these tokens now. So we'll have to see how much we actually end up using, if we need to get some more or whatever. Because we have used quite a bit now. I think we've used 24 of the 40. So, Casper, how'd you find that?
I think that was really good, but not long. I think it was really cute and really fun.
Yeah, totally agree. I mean, 3 laps as well, so that's good. And it's nice you don't have to wait as well. So we're going to check out some more. I think there's a mine train over there, so we'll see how much that is. So next is the ghost train. That's 2 tokens per person, so that'll be another 4 tokens down. So let's go check out the ghost train. Clown action there. Oh, it's already better than Dr. Umberto's, or whatever it's called. Quite open and airy. Reminds me a bit of the one at Southport. It's very dark. That's that guy with the sword. Same guy's outside the ghost train at Blackpool. Oh, naked ladies to pay for coffee. Interesting. Skeletons there. It is very, very dark in here. I don't know how much you're going to pick up on this because there's a guy swinging by his neck. Oh, I don't think that's short. So let's come off the ghost train there. Used up 4 of our tokens and probably shouldn't have bothered. It was an alright effort to be fair, but it is a typical amusement park ghost train. Certainly not Pleasure Beach one, and there's a lot of Poundland kind of decorations in there. Casper, what did you think? Was it scary?
No, not really. And they had like the thing from Blackpool, do you know, like that thing, like that was in the chimney, that blue guy.
Ah, yeah, there was, wasn't there?
Like that.
Yeah, there was a few things that were from the ghost train, but there's no audio in there whatsoever. And they could have done with some things to make some jumps and scares, because you was kind of going through the motions within there, just looking at the scenery. But we're headed over to the runaway train now, so we'll see how that fares.
have gone on the Runaway Mine train. Now they've now come over to the Formula One. Egan's on Peppa Pig. There she is. Casper's on his Spider-Man quad, making a racket. So after this, there's only 2 left, so that might be the end of the day here. And that's pretty much everything, in fairness. We've seen most of the rides that we kind of would have gone on.
Well, I just had a quick look on the website, and there is a ride that has a 1 token.
Oh, is there?
We've got 2 left.
Oh, so maybe we can have a look at that then. I really enjoyed the Queen Bee that you can see behind you there. There's Casper's down at the good time there. It was good fun, that, wasn't it? So yeah, that'll be pretty much us then. Kids just come off Formula One. How did you like it? Was that good?
I think it was really good.
Arms folded. Thumbs up. Thumbs up, is it? Eden's had enough. She's very, very tired. So yeah, so that's Formula One. Let's try and find out this 1 token ride. Let's see its mythological 1 token ride, so we can find it. So we found one last thing for Eden to be able to go on. She's gone on this little kiddie carousel. Here she is, Eden! And that is all the tokens gone then. I think that's enough then. And we'll call that a wrap. Here she comes.
The end of our time here at Bottons Pleasure Beach. It's quite a decent little place, really, isn't it? Yeah. It's a nice little fun way to while away a few hours. Not a full day, I have to say.
Oh no.
But if you're looking to kill a few hours, we spent 30 quid in there, and that was enough, really. And if we didn't have the kids, it's the 2 of us, 30 quid would be more than enough, because you could just go on everything through yourselves, couldn't you? But because we were splitting it between stuff we were going on and the kids were going on, and seeing how far we can make it stretch, and I think it was enough.
Yeah, it was. I did notice though, like it was advertising on the website about like 1 token ride, like we were just saying.
Yeah.
Couldn't find a 1 token ride anywhere, and there seemed to be less rides on the map than what there were on the list.
Yeah.
So if you've got really little kids that don't meet the high restrictions, it's not worth even buying a wristband.
And that's exactly it. That's exactly it.
They have like reduced wristbands, don't they, for kids?
Yeah.
But still.
So it was £15 for the reduced wristbands, wasn't it?
Yeah.
So that's it from us. Tomorrow we're going to go to Fantasy Island. So looking forward to getting back there, because we last went there in October. So seeing what's new. There is a drop tower that's been installed. So you'll like that. It wasn't there last time, was it?
It was just short.
We'll edit this bit out. So Robbie's going to go on the drop tower. Anyway, yeah, that's the end of the video. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you very much for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like and also subscribe for more content. So that's it from us. Let the positivity in and bye.